Hey, welcome back to Weeby Kids again. It's only a few days away from Valentine's Day and many of us are thinking, how can we make a creative, heartfelt gift that isn't going to cost the world and is sustainable too? So in today's resource, I'm going to show you how we can make some heartfelt hazel hearts. And in order to do that, we're going to need some hazel. I've got a hazel tree behind me here. I'm going to cut about 4 lengths that are between 1 and 2 meters long and that are about as thick as my finger. If you don't have hazel, then you can use any other kind of tree which has long, straight, bendy branches. Willow is also excellent for this resource. If you're out looking for hazel, notice that it is a tree that is found in the shrub layer. It has many straight stems that come from a main stump, and at this time of year it also has lots and lots of these beautiful catkins that hang from it that look a little bit like caterpillars. So I've cut my 4 hazel lengths here. I'm going to take these home now where I've got some twine, and I'm going to make them somewhere where it's a little bit warmer. So we've got our 2 lengths of hazel, and we've also got 5 pieces of twine cut to about 45 centimeters, and that's all we're going to need for this hazel heart. So the first thing we're going to do is just soften the hazel a little bit. We're just going to pull it gently across our knee. We're going to do this 3 or 4 times just to make it supple so it doesn't snap. So we're going to take the thin end of the hazel and we're going to bend it down, and we're going to join it up with the bottom just here so we get this nice shape. We're then going to attach that with the twine. So we're not going to use any fancy knots here, we're just going to wrap this. I'm going to put it underneath. I'm going to hold it with that finger and just wrap it around, keeping it nice and tight. We're just going to tie an overhang knot. And we're going to repeat that for the other side. So then we have our 2 halves to our heart, and what's left to do is just using our twine, join them together. So we're going to join it in exactly the same way. No fancy knots, just hold it around the back. Just wrap nice and tightly, and then tie it off with a overhand knot. And we're going to repeat that twice more up the heart. And we're just going to tidy it up by snipping the ends. And there we have your heartfelt hazel heart, all complete and ready to give as a gift to the one that you love at Valentine's Day. So I hope you enjoyed this resource. Thanks for stopping by at Weeby Kids, and we'll see you again sometime soon. Bye!